welcome. You're welcome. So I will just teach us how we can be able to make payment for this course. Then we are good to go. So all you have to do is just go to get it now. This button here, this get it now button here. Just tap on it. Then it will ask you to input your details, your name, your email address, and your phone number. Then after inputting it, you tap on pay now for you to pay the amount. It depends on the country you are. Like I'm in Nigeria, that is why it's showing this currency. So if you are in your country like Ghana, it will show you the currency the CD. So it's a pay with card, pay with bank, pay with transfer, pay with USD, pay with Visa QR. So it depends on the one that you know you can use it best. So for me, I will be paying with my card. So I have to put my card details. Okay. Then I'll pay it. Okay, so it's how I should authenticate. Tap on the button. You wait for it to authenticate. Wait for it to load. Then generate token. Depends on your bank. The bank is in it. That is why it's showing this. Different banks with their way of authentication. So I'll wait for the code to come. I'll wait for the code to come. I'll wait. Okay, this is the code. Then I'll have to submit to complete my payment. Okay, let's wait for it to complete. Let's wait for it to complete. Okay. Okay, successful. So it has been paid out. So you wait for the load. You wait for it to load up. Then see, say INS with thanks for your postage. Okay, so after paying for the course, this is what you will see. All you have to do is just to download the file. Okay, you wait for it to work. You wait for some seconds. If it didn't work, you tap on click here for you to access it. Okay, then wait for the package to download. Then after downloading it will ask you to open it on Drive, or you can open it with. It will ask you to access the full package. Then also I have a gift for you. All you have to do is just to click here to message my WhatsApp, so you can get the free gift. Okay, so I said the full package. Click on the link. Then you can open it up with your Gmail. Okay, so to take you to the Drive, as you can see, these are the courses. These are the courses. Look, this is A to Z web design course. Just open the link. Just wait for it, then the course will come up. So let's walk through WordPress. Look at the video courses. These are the video courses you will enjoy. So we have the one for seller marketing, we have the one for Facebook ads, we have the one for graphics, we have the one how to create a landmark. We have HTML and CSS course, and we have the one for Fiverr. All these bonuses are for the first 5 persons. So what are you waiting for? get the course today and enjoy all these bonuses. Get the course today and enjoy all these bonuses.